Hello friends! Yan, so hinihintay lang namin ang asawa ko guys kasi sinundo niya yung anak niya na lalaki. Nasa car wash pa sila. So we're gonna go out, we're gonna have our dinner outside. Yeah, kasi we just wanna focus with the important things that we gotta do. Tonight is already Wednesday na guys. Everything is already packed up. Bukas may darating kami na namin family para mag-pick up ng mga ibang furniture dito. And yeah, that's it. Sa Friday na nga pala yung flight namin. So, we're gonna go out to get our dinner. Nandito tayo guys sa another buffet place. I forget the name of this place. I-check ko lang mamaya. So, meron sila dito mga dessert nila guys. So, 3 bean salad. Ayan. Tapos meron silang macaroni salad. That. And then 3 color pasta salad. Meron din silang corn salad. Ito. Coleslaw. Chicken salad. Meron silang potato salad. Tapos dito guys, masarap. So, kukuha lang ako ng egg drop para sa asawa ko. Ito, meron silang hot sour soup. And then, meron silang egg drop. Ito. So, kasama namin ang anak ng asawa kong guys na lalaki. Yeah, bali, galing pa siyang New York. Wait, dito muna tayo guys. Meron tayong mga bread dito. Yan. Ito, I don't know what kind of fish this. Oh, catfish. Paborito ko yan. Dito guys, meron silang mga fruits. Ayan. Tapos meron dito it's called, the name of the restaurant is called Charles Country Buffet. Ayan. Yeah, you can come here if you like. So, meron sila. Ito, masarap yan. Balikan ko yan mamaya. Lang. Gusto ko yung ambience dito. I like their chairs. Yeah. Say hi, Rachel. Yeah, everything here is white.
Sometimes we do take white sugar. Like for
Yeah, just don't use this.
don't use the sweetener.
Yeah.
Just for decoration, it's pretty.
Yeah, masarap talaga ang food nila dito, guys. Tapos yung dumplings, masarap. Tapos marami silang mga dessert. After this, I'm gonna get my dessert. Yan yung dessert ng asawa ko. Kumuha pa talaga siya ng bread. Ordinary na bread. Ito siya guys, masarap ito. Alright, second plate natin guys. Meron tayo nito. Tikman ko lang kung masarap. And then ito. Hindi ko alam kung anong mga pangalan nito guys. Kasi kain lang kami. Tapos meron tayong ice cream vanilla. Tapos second cup ng coffee natin. Yan, dyan kami kumain guys. Gabi na. So dadaan kami ng Dollar Tree. Kasi may bibilhin lang ako.
Mommy, why am I at the end? Why am I at the rear end?
Dito kami.
Why am I at the rear end?
Oh, I'm sorry.
You know what? Just leave me at the rear end.
Nag-OA akong anak ko. Agay namin dito sa dito kami guys sa sa Dollar Tree. So, bibili lang kami ng few stuff. Nandito kami sa airport ngayon, guys. Ayan, so bumili lang kami ng bagong neck pillow. Ayan, nandun ang asawa ko. Yeah. Anong oras na ba? It's almost 4, I guess. Yeah, so we are leaving now. Yan, nandito kami. So, nandun yung restroom. That's the information. Yeah.
Well,
Careful.
I
So, hinahanap na namin ang aming gate, guys. Our gate is A7. Ayan. So, nandun na yung asawa ko. And then, ang anak ko na naka-scooter para hindi masyado siyang mahirapan. Yan. Anong oras na ba? So, yeah, mag-land kami sa... Let's go here, Rachel. Yeah. Mag-land kami sa Atlanta, Georgia. Yeah, let's go. Rachel.
And there's a hoop at the school. You can go, anyone is free.
Hi, Daddy. Daddy.
Her parents are back doing basketball.
I know.
Right around the corner at the school.
Okay, so we are flying to Costa Rica.
Oh, let's. About Allie's lap. They could watch a show while you know.
A priority on your flight is el espaldar de su asiento en posición vertical y sus apoyabrazos del pasillo abajo. Si su asiento tiene un monitor de video que se extiende, por favor, guárdelo en este momento. Si no, por favor, comprueben que no queden tazas, vasos o cualquier artículo en el bolsillo de su asiento que haya que desechar. Que entrégueselo a los auxiliares a medida que pasen por la cabina. Estaremos aterrizando pronto.
I'm seeing like every house.
Anybody
Costa
now, like
Rica.
even like I'll say like about the grown man.
Yeah, but I don't know if he knows that.
Right.
Yeah, and then put up a new fence, but the other fence was rotted.
Mm-hmm.
I saw right away.
Oh,
I always follow everybody's flights.
who's it? Right.
I said I want it to look good when it's cut. I don't want it to look. I told them
Oh, yeah.
bare because,
Yeah.
and then I showed them because this grass here,
Right.
they had cut it bare.
Oh,
You see how bare it looks over there?
oh
Spots?
yeah.
They cut it like that.
Right.
Yeah. He's green.
I always like